think first of all, my name is Anna. I want to talk and express how to the Indian Parliament to follow and help to build your stock. It's very important that we find these systems to create healthy systems for our fisheries so that we can have continuous stock. In Hawaii, we build these sanctuaries or areas of no fish or ban at certain times of the year so that we can continue to multiply the stock and have more fish for our families and our communities. We also do watch and observe and do observations and the data collection so that we can better understand what the fisheries or what the fish is doing, what the seaweed is doing, and understand what the coral is doing, and better understand when and where we can fish and shouldn't fish, because sometimes the mating seasons is not a good time. The hatching seasons, we don't fish certain fish in different seasons. And so those are the things that really help build our stock. There's a national monument that we hold in protection, because those seas is always needed to continuously build stock for our fisheries in our islands.
My name is Herman Kumara and I'm from Sri Lanka, and I'm working with small-scale fisher people in the country, and we are facing serious threat to displacement, loss of damage, dispossession of the resources, destruction of the environment through these light Percy nets, the lead used lights and everything. It destroy our waters, destroy our livelihoods, because small people grab that resource and destroy our resources for other people. In that, small-scale people are sufferers. So in that we say, Indian government, very particularly the Goa government and others, should be immediately ban this one, which will be a similar effect for Indian fishermen, Goa fishermen, and overall small-scale fishers in India because of this threat. So we urge from the government, please consider the livelihoods, their own resources, which will sustain their life.
आयज आमी ब्राउन्स बीचान आसा, लिगोम्बो, श्रीलंका, आनी आमी आयज फील्ड ट्रिपाक गेलेले. आनी जेन्ना आमी फिशरमॅना कडेन एक धाकटी जमा जाली, मीट जाली, थिंगा आमकां कळलें की हांगाय LED लायट फिशिंग चलता, आनी तशेंच करून जायती डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह गियर्स यूज जाता. आनी ह्या कारणा खातीर आयज जे नुस्तेकार जे आसा, बारीक मच्छीमार जे आसा, ते आयज प्रोफेशन सोडून थोडे कामदार जाल्या, प्लंबर जाल्या, कार्पेंटर जाल्या, अशें करून श्रीलंकाची फिशरीज, जी फिशिंग धंदो जो आसा तो आयज काबार जाता. आयज डीप सी हिंगा फिशिंग चलता. डीप सी फिशिंगानूय आयज नुस्तें ना, पूण हेजेर सिद्ध जाता की आमकां गोंयान जे कायदो आमी घडलोलो 2016 आनी सबसिक्वेंटली 2017, तो कायदो जो LED लायट बॅन जे आसा ते अजून पासून गोंयान जावना. आनी फाटले सीझन पळयलें जाल्यार हे LED लायट फूल स्विंग अजून पासून चलता, इवन आफ्टर द कोर्ट डिरेक्शन. पूण आमी सरकाराक मागता की हे LED लायट फिशिंग जे आसा बंद करपाक जाय, कित्याक हे आमी श्रीलंका नाल्यार दुसरी कंट्री भशेन जावपाक नाका. हे जे नुस्तें प्रोटेक्ट करपाक हे सगळ्याचेर इंट्रस्टेड आहा, बोटकार आसूं या बारीक मच्छीमार आसूं. सो हांव मागता, जशें करून आमचो WFFP जनरल सेक्रेटरीन मागला की LED लायट फिशिंग बंद करचें म्हणून. हवाई जी कंट्री आसा ती बरी फिश मॅनेजमेंट करता, की ते जे फिश ब्रिडींग एरियाज आसा त्या एरियांनी ते बॅन करता. 1 वर्स 2 वर्स अशें करून ते फिश स्टॉक मल्टिप्लाय करता. सो आमी हे बरी सिस्टम हाडपाक जाय की फिश मॅनेजमेंट आनी फिश प्रोटेक्शन करपा खातीर, नाल्यार आमचे मच्छीमार जे आसा हे बिझनेस काबार जातले, नुस्तें काबार जातले, मच्छीमार काबार जातले आनी पर्यावरण काबार जातले.